Good morning, students. Today we are going to see Unit 20 Breeding and Biotechnology. Last video we saw the same unit in the animal breeding. In this video we are going to see biotechnology in medicine and stem cells. Let's see one by one in detail. First one, biotechnology in medicine. In biotechnology using genetic engineering techniques, otherwise rDNA, recombinant DNA. Medicinally important valuable proteins are polypeptide that form the potential pharmaceutical products. The pharmaceutical products means medically using tablets. Medicinal product is called pharmaceutical product. For treatment of various diseases have been developed in the commercial scale. Pharmaceutical means medicinal pharmaceutical industry, medicinal product creating industry, pharmaceutical product, medical product developed by rDNA technique. Some examples are here. Insulin used in the treatment of diabetes. Our industries are creating insulin for the treatment. Human growth hormone used for treating children with growth deficiencies. Blood clotting factor are developed to treat hemophilia. Tissue plasminogen activator is used to dissolve blood clot and prevent heart attack. The last one, development of vaccines against various diseases like hepatitis B and rabies. Vaccine, vaccine. Nowadays they are all are speaking about the vaccine for COVID-19. The vaccines are developed for many diseases, various diseases. Example, hepatitis B and rabies. Gene therapy. Gene therapy refers to the replacement of defective gene. Some defective gene is there, that particular organ, that defective gene alone replaced and fresh gene is inserted, that is gene therapy. Genetic disorder will be replaced. Genetic makeup of the patient, that is called genetic makeup. The recombinant DNA technology, that also recombinant DNA technology, that is genetic engineering. This technique successfully implanted in 1990. That gene therapy is two types. One is somatic gene therapy. Somatic gene therapy is a replacement defective gene in the somatic cell. Somatic means body cell. Somatic cell means body cell. The somatic gene therapy never transferred to the next generation, not transferred to the progeny, not transferred to the young one. So this is called somatic gene therapy. Next one, germline gene therapy. The germline gene therapy, the gene is replaced, defective gene is replaced in the germ cell. Germ cell means reproductive cell, that is gonads, otherwise called egg or sperm. In egg or sperm, the gene is replaced, defective gene is replaced is called germline or gene therapy, that is transferred to the next generation. The progeny will get new gene, that is germline gene therapy. Stem cells. Next is stem cells. Our body is composed of over 200 different types. Specialized cells are there. They can carry out specific function. Example, neuron or nerve cell that can transmit signal. Neuron or transmit signal. Heart cells pump the blood. Pancreatic cells secrete insulin. These specialized cells are called differentiated cell. Differentiated cell. In the contract and differentiated stem cells, contract and differentiated cells, stem cells are called undifferentiated or unspecialized cells. These stem cells are called variable or called stem cells. They variable potency is the number of possible factors that cells can acquire. The important properties. Stem cells ability to divide and give rise to more stem cells by self-renewal. Stem cells ability to divide inside the body give more stem cells by self-renewal. Stem cells to give rise to specialized cells with specific functions by the process of differentiation. Next, types of stem cells. Stem cells are two types. One is embryonic stem cells. Embryonic stem cells. This is extract from the early embryo. Embryo already you know. After fertilization, it got the zygote developed as a embryo. Cells are taken from the early embryo. These cells derived from the inner cell mass of blastocyst. These cells can be developed into any cell in the body. So this is embryonic stem cells. Any cell, embryonic cells can give any type of cells. Next, adult stem cells or somatic stem cell. Somatic means body cell. Adult means well developed human body give a cell, that is adult stem cell, are found in the newborn, maternal and adult, newborn or adult. They have a ability to divide and give rise to specific cell type. Source of adult stem cell. Amniotic fluid, umbilical cord and bone marrow. These cells where they are going to take umbilical cord, amniotic fluid or bone marrow. Bone marrow, center bone part, spongy part is bone marrow. Umbilical cord, that baby is transferring food and everything with the mother. That cord, rope-like structure, that is umbilical cord. The umbilical inside amniotic fluid, baby is living that 9 months in the liquid. That liquid is called amniotic fluid. They are taking cells from here, that is adult stem cell or somatic stem cell. Stem cell therapy. Therapy means treatment. Sometimes cells, tissues or organ or parts of body. Organ means some parts in the body may be permanently damaged or lost due to the genetic condition, disease or injury. In that time, in such situation, stem cells are used for the treatment. See the diagram. This is a stem cell. From the stem, these stem cells are cultured in the laboratory. The stem cell first taken from the already I said the umbilical cord or amniotic fluid or bone marrow. The stem cells are cultured in the laboratory. In that, this is the undifferentiated cells. So in the stem cell, which are is present muscle cells, blood cells, nerve cells, cardiac cells, liver cells and intestinal cells. Intestinal cells. that in which is called stem cells. The last part or degenerative part is replaced with the help of stem cell therapy. In treating neurodegenerative disorders like neuro disorder, that is neuronal stem cells, nerve cells. What are the disease? For example, Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's disease. Parkinson's means nerve problem. The nerves are shivering. That is Parkinson's disease. Alzheimer's disease. They have forgot the things. In Tamil, Marathi. That is Alzheimer's disease. Can be used, replaced, damaged neuron or lost neuron with the help of stem cells. Thank you.